I love finding shortcuts. This weekend, I'm going on a hike with some friends to a park that we've been to before, but this time we're hiking a new trail. It's going to be a moderate hike and a little long, so I've been looking to see if I can find a way for us to finish the hike in less time, and I just found a shortcut. By taking this smaller trail, we can cut off the larger loop of the main trail and save ourselves about 30 to 45 minutes. Rounding numbers is like a shortcut in math. If you need to solve a problem quickly, you can round the numbers before adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing them. The more you practice, the better you become at it, and the more quickly you will be able to do it. These shortcuts are extremely helpful when you need to figure something out quickly, like how much a few items will cost or which route is the shorter one to take. Working with rounded numbers also makes problems less overwhelming, since it lessens what you have to focus on. While rounding numbers is useful for us, God never needs to round. Large numbers and complex problems do not overwhelm him. God cannot be overwhelmed because he is the greatest being there is. In fact, thinking of him often overwhelms me. Yet I take some comfort in my inability to comprehend God. I do not have to know how he knows or does something. It is enough for me to know that he does. For instance, consider the population of a large country, say India. In 2011, the population of India was approximately 1.2 billion. The word approximately is an indication that the number has been rounded. The actual number, according to the Office of the Registrar General and Census Commissioner, is 1,210,193,422.1. That is a lot of people. But even that number cannot be entirely exact because populations are constantly changing, with babies being born or people dying. Only God knows the exact population of any town, city, country, or continent at any given time. Not only does he know the number of people, he knows each and every person by name. He knows every detail about them. He loves them and longs for them to know him. How encouraging to know that while I can take shortcuts by rounding numbers, that is something God will never do.